Welcome to AI Explains It All. Today, we're diving into the explosive history of chemistry, the science that has transformed our understanding of the world, one reaction at a time. Our journey begins in the ancient world, where early thinkers like the Egyptians and Greeks practiced alchemy, a mystical blend of science, philosophy, and magic. They believed in the transmutation of base metals into gold and sought the elusive philosopher's stone, a substance that promised immortality. The 17th century marked a turning point. Alchemy gave way to modern chemistry, thanks to pioneers like Robert Boyle, who introduced the scientific method, and Antoine Lavoisier, who named oxygen and debunked the phlogiston theory. Lavoisier's meticulous experiments laid the foundation for the law of conservation of mass, proving that matter is neither created nor destroyed in chemical reactions. In 1869, Dmitri Mendeleev revolutionized chemistry by organizing the known elements into the periodic table, predicting the existence of elements yet to be discovered. This table became the map of chemistry, helping scientists navigate the relationships between elements and their properties. The 20th century brought both the awe and terror of atomic chemistry. The discovery of the atom's structure led to groundbreaking technologies, from nuclear energy to life-saving medical treatments, but also to the devastating power of atomic bombs. Today, chemistry is at the heart of everything, from developing new materials and medicines to understanding the complexities of life itself. It's a field that continues to evolve, driven by curiosity, discovery, and the endless possibilities that lie within the smallest particles of matter. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the history of chemistry, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to never miss an episode. Let us know in the comments what you'd like AI to explain next.